how to categorize refunds in QuickBooks. So here I'm on the main page, and I'll simply click on new, and we want to choose credit card credit. Now this will load up this page here, from which we have to select the payee. I will choose the sample customer here, and we have to select the bank or credit account. Now here we can add a new one, and we can do credit card, everything is going to be filled out, and we can just save and close here. And for the category, this is the important part here, we will search for refund. If we are not able to locate it, you will simply add a new one for refund here, and you can choose the appropriate detail type here and the account type as well, and then we will click on save. And after that, the amount is where we type, this is where we type out the amount, I'm sorry. So we can do $10 as an example, and as you can see, the amount immediately changes to $10. And after you have filled out all of this information here, then what we can do is click on save and close, and you should have successfully categorized a refund on QuickBooks. If you want to create a refund receipt here, we'll use the search bar, and we're going to search for refund here, and you can create a refund receipt by clicking on this button here, and you can again choose the sample customer, and you can choose the payment method and refund it from. If we have created a previous form here or account, we can choose it here. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.